This day literally cannot get any worse. You can barely see us because it's pitch black. We've just driven all the way back to Spain, got on some sand, and we got stuck. We're proper stuck in thick sand. No rope, no tow, nothing. Yeah, it looks like we're digging it out by hand.
We got some sand.
But why? We just want to park up and have a beer and relax. Nah, we ain't going anywhere.
Right, me and Dad are gonna go dig. Maybe.
Right, shall I get out and start digging?
I think we're gonna need to.
Looks like we're here for the night.
Oops.
We're done for.
What do we do? Get digging? With our hands?
I don't know, darling. Oh.
Oh no. Oh. Good idea, love. Get the ramps under. Yeah, Oliver, do you mind start scooping in front of the wheel, love? Well done.
I'm going backwards, I think. I'm going to try and go backwards.
Yeah.
Get some traction behind me.
Oh dear me. Whose idea was this then?
They say things come in threes. So we had the water leak, moved on, and stuck in the sand. That should be it now, right?
No, Andrew had the plug this morning.
Plug.
You know I couldn't make the cooker work.
Oh yeah, and we lost the plug.
Go get a jumper on, buddy. It's freezing, isn't it?
Go on.
Yeah, I'll come in and get one too.
Yeah. You ready?
Gonna be here for the night now. And I've got the sunburn, so I'm blinking freezing. Dig, Stuart, dig! Do you know what? We didn't even get stuck in Andorra. We didn't even get stuck in Scotland. We come on some sand on a beach in the sun.
Oh, I will get stuck.
Ruined it.
Right.
Oh! Whose idea was this then, to come all the way back to Spain? To be fair, we've had one hell of a day. I've got to do the kids some tea yet, and now we're stuck in the sand, so I'm not sure what I'm going to even do. I'm going to just have to find something really quick and easy just to make sure that they're full and fed and happy while Stu's trying to dig us out. I'm going to go out and give them a hand in a bit. I've just had to come in and get a jumper on. It's freezing, it's proper clear skies. So I'm feeling the shiver. Oh my goodness. Go on, Stu! Oh! Stop! He's actually gone deeper. Look at our pile! How low we are to the front. Don't drive in the dark on a beach. So we're stuck for the night, literally stuck in Spain. We can't go anywhere, we can't do anything. If we ask to get moved on, can't, sorry mate, we're stuck. The only benefit to being stuck this low in the sand is literally how low the entrance step now is into the van. Oh, sorry, two benefits. The other benefit is because my head is going to be higher than my stomach. So that's pretty good, we're pretty level. So yes, we're still stuck in the sand, and it's first thing in the morning. The cat's going wild because he wants to go out. There's birds hovering around us. We're quite on the tilt, so I think we're going to have some serious digging out to do. Couldn't see much last night, literally had to stop what we were doing. We got back in and we called our European breakdown cover for assistance, and basically they've said that they won't cover any situations where you're stuck in sand, mud or anything else. So if we want to sort it out through breakdown, then we have to do so with an extra expense, and it's via calling some Spanish number. So we're going to try and dig our way out this morning, and if all else fails then we'll have to give them a ring and obviously, you know, find out what that expense might be. In the meantime though, I think we all need a cup of coffee, wake up and go and reassess the situation. Oh dear. Yeah, so our engine looks like it's currently sitting on the sand. It's quite a quite a high amount of sand right up here behind the wheel. 2 sets of ramps behind there. We're going to have to try and dig out from the front. On a positive though, it's a nice day and we've got a really nice view. We're going to be putting in some hard graft though, getting that tyre sorted out. And just for perspective, where we've got stuck and where that white van is, just there, that's literally where we wanted to park. You're talking a few metres. Unreal, isn't it? Right, I better get in, get these kids up, get them out digging. Okay, I spent a good bit of time trying to free up under the engine and the wheel, so it's proper buried. The engine is literally sat in sand and I've only got my hands to work with. But yeah, just to show you, I've managed to clear all behind here. And you can really see that the engine is stuck on there, on top of that sand. But all around the wheel, I've managed to free it. So I'm going to keep going and see how much more I can get out before we give it a try. I know, you've been doing an amazing job helping me out, haven't you? We're literally using bamboo sticks to try and get behind the tyre and pull it all out, aren't we?
Yeah.
So it's all stuck up in the engine. So hopefully we've made enough clearway that your dad will be able to come in, get us out. What do you think?
You're just going to want to get all the sand away from it. That's what I've done over there.
Yeah, we have, haven't we? And we've noticed as well there's gravel underneath all this sand, so if you dig down enough, we might get enough grip. You never know. So we'll go and get Dad up, shall we? And we'll go and see if he'll give it another go. So me and Oliver have managed to do most of this with our fingers and sticks. We're trying to create a trail that goes backwards because there's some flat sand there. Stu's managed to get hold of a spade. He's come out, he's trying to get from under where the chassis is, because there's still quite a bit under there and obviously a lot of pressure. So we're trying to reduce that as much as possible. But where's the tractor when you need one, love?
I know, innit?
Absolutely exhausted. Been here for about 40 minutes now and it just feels never ending. The more sand you pull out, the more that drops down.
That's why you have to tap it.
Yeah, so we're creating a trail backwards just because the pressure at the front now is just too great. So managed to get the tyre actually looking a bit more free now than it was. The sand was pretty much covering the whole tyre. It's definitely looking more freer than it was an hour ago. We can actually see under the van now. We're getting there. So about after an hour and a half's worth of digging, we've managed to get right under the chassis to get it clear as possible and right behind the tyres, and created ourselves a little bit of a runway back. Praying. This is attempt numero uno. Go. Slowly does it. Number 2.
The mum's nails just broke.
I just keep finding nails in the sand. It's like the third ones, come on. Oh. So just doing a little bit more digging.
More pain.
Trying to get a bit more traction. To hopefully get this last little bit out. Attempt number 4.
Yeah.
For that, we can enjoy ourselves.
Oh my god. Never felt relief like that before. Blinking heck.
You know the doors are open.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how happy are you right now?
I am very happy, and I've got to say, before I came out, Charles was out there for a good 45 minutes by herself digging, so well done, love.
Babe.
You had a big part on that one.
Yeah, I was determined not to pay for the rescue fee. It's amazing what you do when money's involved in it. So, managed to get straight back onto the road where we thought we'd come straight out to try and clear any excess sand that was left underneath, you know, with the air of the with the travelling. Also, we wanted to test the brakes and make sure we haven't accidentally caused any leaks or any damage to the chassis underneath, isn't it?
Everything's okay. But what a day yesterday.
Oh my gosh.
You
it's
couldn't
just,
make it up.
it's probably the worst one we've ever had, actually.
Yeah.
But we're going to go with a more positive attitude, managed to dig all that out. Just getting the van out of that spot was just such a relief. It saved us a fortune. So Amelia can have an extra big birthday cake now. I'm going to get some wine, he's going to get some beer, the boys are going to have some donuts, and we are going to have a little bit of a celebration today, I think.
Yeah.
But when we pull up, let's just say I'm planning to sit there and not do much today other than cook and sit down. I'm absolutely exhausted. My fingernails have gone, my knuckles hurt. I've literally been using bamboo sticks and everything to get right underneath. I've got sand everywhere, so yeah, definitely need a shower and a bit of a chill today after all of that. And let me tell you, this van isn't as light as it looks. It's blinking heavy. But yes, new day, let's get done. So it's safe to say we went a little bit crazy on the shopping, didn't we, love?
Yeah.
We went into Mercadona and we got some party bits for Amelia, and then there's a shop just over the road there, literally had everything in it, and I was proper panicking that we wouldn't be able to get any birthday bits, and I've managed to get some of these like blowers, and like Stu's managed to get some pots that we've been after.
But plastic ones, they're
yeah.
nice and light.
Plus managed to get a new table, been after one of them for ages. That was, I think, 29 euros or something.
Yeah.
It was pretty good. We got a bag full of goodies, basically. Yeah, so plastic cup, some camping gas. $3.90, that was good. Got some balloons for Celia. Some screws, because we need maintenance in here. Oh, we've even managed to pick up some rope as a just in case we need rope. Innit, love?
You never know when you need rope.
No, that's
not that that's about to tow this van.
I know, but that was what we had before, wasn't it, when we rescued Nick's drone,
Yeah.
do you remember? We've gone a bit crazy. I think the adrenaline from getting the van out earlier on, and we've justified it by saying, oh well, we would have had to find hundreds of pounds to basically get ourselves towed out of that mess that we were in this morning. So because we've managed to do that, I think we just kind of went a bit bonkers, didn't we, love?
Just a little bit.
So we're going to go back to that park up. We're going to be a little bit more sensible on our arrival. We're going to get everything set up, treated the kids to some toys to play around with on the beach, so we're going to do some bowling with them later and some like squirter guns and stuff. And we're just going to make a day of it, I think. We're just going to have a proper fun day. So yeah, innit, love?
Oh yes. Let's get this cleaned up, packed away,
Yeah.
and get back on the road.
The van's in such a state. We're just going to have to like drive around with everything just flinging about, because there's no way. Everything's on the bed at the minute. The fridge is full. But kids, you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, so I'm on mission. Tidy everything away. Look at the state on that. We have a nice view though. There's the sea right there. Pebbles is chilling because he was out half the night last night. Oof. And I'm having a tidy through before I literally flake, because I am feeling pretty done. So whilst I've got a little bit of adrenaline left, I'm literally going to get this place spick and span, get lunch prepared, and then I can chill with the kids on the beach playing some bowls or something, because just what a couple of days has been. It's absolutely mental.
Mid.
Pebbles has come on out. Come on, Pebbles. So following on from our beached disaster, we moved down a couple of like camper vans, found a spot, we settled there for a day or two, enjoyed the good weather. To be fair then, the weather sort of took a change for the worse. We got a bit full with the loo and all of that, so we needed services. So we ended up coming to a campsite, which was like a mile down the road. When we were here, Amelia had herself a little birthday buffet and ended up doing some dancing and some singing with her brothers, which was really sweet.
Quick.
We all showered, we serviced, we got everything up and ready. So at this point now, we're going to go and hit a Lidl's because I'm completely out of decent food. We've been doing the Mercadona stops recently, and I don't know why, they just don't seem to have as much there that we like, and it's quite a bit more expensive, so we just prefer Lidl's when we're over here. We're going east to Gibraltar, and we're really looking forward to going back there. The weather's looking really, really good. Now, the last time we went, the weather wasn't so great and the caves were shut, so we just want to do a quick pit stop, really, revisit it. Any last minute things that we want to buy, we're going to go and grab, and if we can, we're going to go and see if the caves are open and the tunnels, so we can go and have a look at those because we missed those last time. And then from there then we've got a couple of places that we've been wanting to visit since we hit Spain. So we're going to have a bit of a recce up in the mountains. There's 3 stops up there that we want to do, so we're going to do a couple of wild park ups up there. And I think that's it. I'm pretty much caught up because I haven't picked the camera up for a couple of days, so yeah, it's just trying to remember what we've done and what we're planning to do so I can let you guys know. But for now, Stu's currently fixing the seats back down. It's something I always forget to do, so we turn the seats around, no problem, but we've got these little screwy things, and obviously safety reasons we have to make sure they're screwed in, and I always forget to do them, so nice one to do.
Oh.
You alright?
Yes, refreshed, shaved, showered, and Dexter's hair has been completed.
Show it off then, kid. Very nice. Twit twoo. Yeah, we're gonna go hit the road then. And Squealia is now a 7-year-old. Say hello everyone, it's a 7-year-old. No, too early in the morning for you, is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Like a blinking teenager already, that one. Bonkers. Right, so we're all ready to go. Gonna hit the road, and yeah, we'll just basically pick you guys up when we get somewhere a little bit different.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin.